This is our Motion Builder tutorial, streaming from Captury into Motion Builder. Hello, I'm Nils from the Captury. And today I'd like to show you how to stream from Captury Live into Motion Builder. So the first thing we'll do is record a quick sequence of myself so we can stream that into Motion Builder so I don't have to stand in the volume the entire time. And then we'll switch to showing you the live streaming. So in Captury Live, I'll just start tracking myself. And now I'll record a quick sequence that we can use for streaming. Just record. And that's it. Now we can switch to Motion Builder on Windows or on a separate computer. So the first thing we have to do is download the Motion Builder plugin from our website. Resources section, Motion Builder plugin. Save it and open it. And that contains a bunch of DLLs, so you have to pick the one that matches your Motion Builder version. So let's say we'll use Motion Builder 2024. Find the folder of Motion Builder in Autodesk Motion Builder 2024. Then you go to the bin folder, x64, and then the plugins folder. And now we have to copy this guy in here. Next we can open Motion Builder and start tracking. Here in Motion Builder, in the asset browser over here, we just have to go to devices and then drag the Captury device into the scene. Then we have to type in the IP address of your Captury Live machine. For me, it's this IP, but for you, this would probably be something different. Then you hit online, it starts turning green. Now we have to generate the skeletons that we stream in Motion Builder, and we do that with the model binding thing here. And then we hit live, then we can see it moving. Typically you don't want to just see the skeleton moving like these bones, but you actually want to see it on a character. So I'm going to show you how to do that, although most likely you already know that if you work with Motion Builder. So I'll find the character here. Okay, so here's the character, and we just drop that into the scene, say merge, no animation, and that just loads this character. So this character isn't characterized yet, so if you go to characters down here, we see that there's only the unknown, which is the yellow skeleton we see over there. So what I'm going to do next is I'll create a character, drop into the scene, and then I go to character definition. And now I need to map all the bones that are here in the scene to the bones that Motion Builder needs and wants. So I'll just go and drop hips on hips, left up leg on left up leg, and so forth. So now we've matched all the bones. Now we just hit characterize, select biped, and now we have a biped character. So the next step we have to do is we tell it that it shouldn't be a static stance, but we want to drive it from another character. So we select character here and hit active, and that already looks okay-ish, but yeah, as you can see the hip is down there. So we'll have to select some settings in the offsets. So here we set hips level mode to user, and we set the ankle height compensation mode to user. And now maybe we have to add a little bit of ankle height there. We can tweak it a little bit, but generally this is it. So next I'll show you how to do the same thing live. We'll keep the same character and just retarget it to the other source. So now we're back in Captury Live, and I'll switch to streaming the live character rather than the playback character. So I'll stop the playback and start tracking myself. Okay, that's it. Back in Motion Builder, you can see that the animation is stopped. So the only thing we have to do is go to the Captury device and turn it back on. So it was in a broken state, so we turn it off and then back on. And as you can see, the animation starts playing immediately. In the worst case, you have to go to model binding and recreate the binding, and then you get another character that you can then attach to your animated character. Check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and bye bye.